All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So getting my brother's truck ready for inspection. These are not permanent wheels, but the tires are very good, so I decided to throw these on. Figure you're gonna track all the mods, so why not? Headlights, you guys can see I did a little cinematics. They're beat. They're just really bad sun faded because they're plastic, which the new housings we have too are plastic, but this truck's not gonna see the kind of sunlight that it saw before. So these should be relatively easy to get out. They don't look too bad. So just showing you guys, we got 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here. This plastic clip has to come out, which if you're wondering what that looks like, it's one of those clips. And then underneath, which is right, hopefully you can see that. Kind of, well, there's a 10 millimeter back there too that I'm gonna use an extension to grab. And then I should be able to pull these out. So put you guys on a time lapse, get that out, and yeah, put the new one in and show you guys. All right, guys, finished up with the headlight install. Super easy. Close the hood so I don't want to repop it. Two 10 millimeters right here. You have a 10 millimeter bolt under here that you'll easily be able to visually see. And when you're trying to pull these headlights out, they do take some force, so just go ahead and pop them out. But huge improvement from the factory ones. Look a lot better smoked. Looks really, really good. So gonna have to do the fog lights because you can tell they're kind of beat, but for the first appearance modification, looks pretty good. So gonna keep the content coming, guys. Like I said, even if it's small, even if it's big, don't matter. I want to see where we got this truck and then where we are going to take it. Wheels temporary, like I said, but that is also something else that we threw on there. 18x9s with a 33. Not the best, not the worst. Got in links on there too. Didn't do a video on that. It's just like maintenance stuff. Maryland inspection's pretty hell, so just trying to get it through there. But yeah, truck looks really, really good with these on it. Black little logo and the black honeycomb kind of go really well with the new headlights. So guys, till next time, support those who support you. Peace.